coming inside. Start off with, we need to get this seal out that goes around the window, and at the bottom here you can see that you've got a little piece here that can come out, this little bit. So start off by getting a little screwdriver and popping it free like that, and then do the same with this bit over here. That's it. And then that piece is out. So then the remainder of it, we need to pull this like that, so it comes into here, and then as we've pulled it in, then we can pull it down. So just like that. You can see that it's come out now, and then just slowly pull it down this way. So then we pull that out, and you're basically just trying to lift it around the ridge. Just be gentle with it because you don't want it to break. That's it. And then slide that out. To get it out, you're trying to pull this in towards here and then put it down. Look at the back, you've got these clips that you're trying to get it out from. That's where it's in between the window and the frame. So now we're going to pull it out slightly, but only a very small amount. And then as we're pulling out that way, we're going to pull out towards the back of the car. Just like that. So with the rear window, the seal was leaking, so we're getting water in the car. We're going to end up cleaning this off and cleaning the outside of the car off, and then we're going to put some sealant to give it a better seal. You can see where it was sealed in the past. It lasted a while, but obviously however many years later it needs going over again. So we're going to clean this all off. So just pull this out of here, it just goes in there, pull it out. And we're just going to slide it onto the window, just like that. We're going to leave this old seal on, we've cleaned it all up. So I got as much off as I could of the old sealant, but this bit seems to be on pretty well. So we're just going to go over it and go around the seam. Okay, once we've done the seal all the way around, just line it up with that hole, and we're just going to push it in. Get the window, that's it. And then just keep it pressed in while we get the inner seal in. Wipe off any excess. So we're going to get this bezel on to hold the window in. We're going to start off with this side and then basically the reversal of what we did to remove it. So line up these tabs. That's it. And then just slowly go around to get them all to fit in. Like that. and then just get this little trim clip. There you go, and that's it, and we're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.